Every January and every May, the Florence Classical Arts Academy offers you the opportunity to join the intensive anatomy course. This workshop gives essential knowledge of structure, proportion, and features of human body. And it teaches you direct application of anatomy to artistic drawing. The training includes both practice and theory and is aimed to increase awareness and skeletal structure, to instill in the mind a full image of the human figure, proportion, and planes, to understand the proportional system and learn key points of the human body, to study a constructive drawing approach, properly using perspective rules in creating a 3D image, and to visualize complex forms in simple geometrical layout. The content of the course includes such topics as skeleton in 3 projections, skull, rib cage, pelvis and limbs, major joints, hands and feet, key points of the body, 3D understanding of construction. And included in the curriculum as supplementary topics, character creating, physiognomy, scale of human emotions and gestures for illustration. The classes are held from Monday to Friday, providing an average of 5 hours of training per day. This course provides a strong foundation of understanding and application of human anatomy in various fields of visual arts, and therefore it is especially useful for students planning to creative careers in animation, illustration, fashion and design. To inquire more info or to apply, please read the description below.